Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, the first official day of autumn, Saturday the 1st of March. But we will also take a quick look at Sunday as well. Now tomorrow's weather map shows us a strong ridge of high pressure extending across southern parts of Australia, with generally settled conditions moving across those southern states. We do have mostly dry conditions as well, but a few showers on the way for the southeast as a cold front starts to approach. Elsewhere, our low pressure troughs through the north and parts of the west and east are continuing to generate isolated thunderstorms for some, and they're also holding a lot of heat in place across the continent, so those heat waves are continuing to build. Severe tropical cyclone Alfred is also continuing to sit off the Queensland coast and developing into a very windy system, generating some dangerous surf and swell as well. Let's take a state-by-state look around the country now, starting with Queensland. For Queensland, it will be a warm to hot day, dry and mostly sunny, apart from a few isolated showers through the southeast. Our main weather impacts, however, will be tied to severe tropical cyclone Alfred, sitting off the coast and generating strong winds and large seas and swell, pushing up the southeast and central coasts of Queensland. We are seeing strong to gale force winds, coastal erosion hazards and hazardous surf all coming into play through those coastal areas. Now, we do have a dedicated severe weather update video current for severe tropical cyclone Alfred, so you can find all the cyclone details in that other video. For Brisbane tomorrow, we're heading for a partly cloudy top of 31 degrees. Morning fogs through eastern New South Wales tomorrow, clearing to a mostly sunny day, warm as well across the state. We are looking at the chance of an isolated thunderstorm or two about the central and northern ranges, as well as through the far west, but very little rainfall is expected tomorrow. For Sydney, we're heading for a partly cloudy day with a top of 29 degrees, 34 degrees down in Canberra. Partly cloudy through southern parts of Victoria tomorrow, warm and mostly sunny in the north. We may see an isolated shower or two through parts of southeast Gippsland through the course of tomorrow morning. For Melbourne, though, it will be dry, mostly sunny with a top of 25 degrees. Tasmania tomorrow can expect mostly cloudy conditions and a few isolated showers through the west and south, drier and sunnier through the northeast. For Hobart, we're looking at a partly cloudy day with a top of 23 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, morning fogs through parts of the southeast, then mostly sunny skies. We do have the chance of a thunderstorm or two about the Flinders district, southern parts of the pastoral districts and parts of the Eyre Peninsula, but they're unlikely to deliver any rainfall totals if they get going. For Adelaide, we're heading for a sunny top of 27 degrees. For Western Australia tomorrow, it should be settled and mostly sunny through southwestern parts of the state after a few early morning fogs. For Perth, we are looking at a sunny day with a top of 31 degrees. It will be more unsettled and hotter further north though. We've got that chance of thunderstorms once again from the Gascoyne pushing down into the goldfields, although little rainfall is expected. Those severe to locally intense heat waves continue, particularly through parts of the Gascoyne, Pilbara, parts of the Kimberley and interior districts as well as that heat continues. For the Northern Territory tomorrow, it will be dry and mostly sunny through most parts. Certainly central and inland parts of the state are looking at very hot conditions. We may see an isolated shower or thunderstorm about the northern and western top end coasts, however, but less likely than in previous days. For Darwin, we're heading for a partly cloudy to mostly sunny day tomorrow and a top of 34 degrees. Now, a quick look ahead at Sunday. Sunday will, broadly speaking, be a hot and dry day across Australia. Certainly those heat waves continuing through northern and northwestern parts of the country. Our low pressure troughs will continue to generate some isolated storms about the west coast and in the east. In fact, we may see severe thunderstorms impacting parts of eastern and southeastern New South Wales on Sunday, with the risk of heavy rainfall, damaging winds and large hail. Otherwise, just a few isolated showers through the southeast and about southeast Queensland, where severe tropical cyclone Alfred will continue to generate strong winds and large waves. You can find the detailed weekend forecasts for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app and via our social media. Have a great weekend and we'll catch you next time.